Hello friends, today we are going to talk on the topic Mahabharata, which is written by Vedavyas. Everyone know Mahabharata, but some of them will be confused of the relationships in the Mahabharata. There are huge types of relationships in Mahabharata. Now we are going to discuss all the relationships which are there in that. From starting of Mahabharata, we will learn first Purvara. Purvara married to Urvasi. Then they got a son Ayush. Then Nahusa, Yayati. They got four Vamsas and they are called as sons also. They are Yadu, Turvasu, Druhya, Bhojas, Puru. Yadu Vamsa, Vidarbha. Vidarbha క్రత రోమపాద క్రత అందక సురసేన అందక ఉగ్రసేన దేవక ఉగ్రసేన కంస వినోన కృష్ణ శ్రీకృష్ణస్ నెఫ్యూ devaka then devaki is the sister of kamsa, is the cousin sister of kamsa, and Surasena daughter and son were Vasudeva and Kunti. Kunti we know Pandava's mother. Then from Vasudeva and Devaki Krishna born, and the second wife of Vasudeva and Rohini, they got two kids, Balaram and Subhadra. Romapada, then Chedi after Shishupala. Afterwards, Turvasu. Turvasu is a big generation having more people, but that is not playing a main role in the Mahabharata. Only Turvasu generation is there. Then coming to Druhya, Bhojas we know na Bhojas. Then Kunti Bhoja is there. Kunti Bhoja is the adopted Kunti, who is the daughter of Surasena. He took Kunti from Surasena, and then he adopted her. Then coming to Puru married Kausalya and they given birth to Dushyant. Then Shakuntala, he married Shakuntala. They too given birth to Vishwamitra. They married Menaka. Vishwamitra married Menaka. Then another son who is Bharaka, then Ajamidha, then Nila and Raksa. From Raksa onwards, Kuruvamsam starts. Then from Nila, Mudgala, Divodasa, Ahalya, Prasata, Saradva. Prasata, Draupada. Who is Drupada? Father of Shikhandini, Drishtadyumna, Draupadi. Shikhandini is the another form of Ambadevi, who is in the revenge form of on Bhishma to kill him, and he have another name. She have another name is Shikandi, is the boy form of Shikandini, means Amba. Drishtadyumna after Drishtakedu. Then afterwards, who is Draupadi? Pandava's wife. Of five Pandava's wife. Then from Ahalya, Saradva after Krupi and Krupa. Krupi is married to Dronacharya. Who is Dronacharya? He is very, 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 very powerful in archery. They got a son Aswadhama we know na. Now coming to Kuruvams, Jarasandhan and Jahnu are the children of Kuruvams. Jarasandhan given his daughters to Kamsa, who is the uncle and nephew of who? Krishna. Then Jahnu, Pratibha, Shantanu, Bahlika, Somadatta, Buriswara. Shantanu, before marrying Shantanu, Satyavati is married to Parasura and got Vedavyas. Vedavyas is the author of Mahabharata, right? Shantanu then married Satyavati, given birth to Vichitravirya and Chitrangada. And Chitrangada dies before his marriage. In a battle, he fought with the enemies and he died. Then Shantanu is married to Ganga. Ganga Devi, we know na, it's a river, it's a precious river. they given birth to eighth son, that is Bhishma Devavrata. Bhishma is very good one. Then Vichitravirya died childless, means what? He got married to Ambika and Ambalika, but what happened? Before married, he died. Without child, he died. Then Vedavyas is married to Parishrami Purna and got a son Vidura. Vidura is the brother of Dhritarashtra and Pandu Vinona. After Vichitravirya died, Satyavati got an idea that Vedavyasa, with Vedavyasa as father, acting as a father, with Niyoga process, they want to give birth to Ambika and Ambalika a son, because the Vamsh should continue. Right? Ambika got Dhritarashtra in that process. He is the elder son but blind king. He is of blindness. Then next Ambalika got Pandu. Pandu is of Pandu disease. What is meant by Pandu disease? No children will be given birth to him. Then Ambalika and Ambika's sister Amba, who is known as Shrikandini. Then Dhritarashtra got married to Gandhari and Sukada or Vaishya. Gandhari and Dhritarashtra given birth to 100 Kauravas and one girl child who is Dushala. 100 Kauravas we know 3 members, who is Duryodhana, Dushasana, Vikarna. Then Dushala is married to Jayadratha, is the king of a big dynasty. Then Shukada and Vaishya and Dhritarashtra given birth to Yuyutsu. He supported to Pandu, means what? This one, Pandavas. Pandu then married Kunti, and before marriage only Kunti got a son child, means a child a son who is of son identities. He got Karna, a child named Karna. Then from Yamadharmaraja she got Yudhishthira, Dharmaraj. Then from Vayu, Bhima, and Indra, Arjun. And one more point, Karna supported to Kauravas' wife Duryodhana, helped him when he is in need. Then for Madri and Pandu got 2 sons. They are Ashwini Devata sons. They are Nakula and Sahadev. And we know that Shakuni, the brother of Gandhari. We saw the Vamsas, and then Kuru Vamsa also we saw, and the sons of Kuru Vams. Now we are going to see the children of those 5 Pandavas and Duryodhana. Yudhishthira got married to Draupadi, then they got Prativindya with Devika, Yudheya. Bhima with Hidimbi, Ghatotkacha, and he married to Ahiravali, then got Barbaric. With Draupadi he got Shrutasena. With Valandhara he got Saraga. Arjun married to 4 members: Draupadi, Shrutakirti, Chitrangada, Babruvahana, Ullupi. Nagakanya got Airavan. Then for Subhadra, Abhimanyu and married to Uttara. Then Parikshit is born. Parikshit is married with Madravati and got Janamejaya. Janamejaya is married to Vapustama and got Satanika Sankukarna. Nakula got married to Draupadi, then Satanika, Karenumati, Niramitra. Sahadeva got married to Draupadi, then Shrutakarma with Vijaya, Sudra. Duryodhana is married to Bhanumati and got twins, Lakshmana. Lakshman is married to another girl, and Lakshmana is married to Samba, who is Krishna and Rukmini's son. Karna is married to Vrishali and got 5 sons: Vrishasena, Vrishaketu, Chitrasena, Satyasena, Sushena. And with Supriya he got Satrujaya, Banasena, Prasena, Dvipata. Kuru dynasty of Hastinapur. King Shantanu's first wife is Ganga, and they got Bhishma. Second wife is Satyavati. Before marriage, she got a son from sage Parashar from Parashar, named Vyas, is the sage and author of Mahabharatam. Second wife got two sons. They are Chitrangada and Vichitravirya. Chitrangada is killed in battle before the marriage itself. Vichitravirya died childless. Means after marriage, before the child is born, he died. Then Satyavati got an idea that making Vyas as the father, they made a process Nayog, where only the father is used with the Nayog process. Then Ambika got Dhritarashtra, Ambalika got Pandu, and the maid of Ambika and Ambalika got Vidura, is the brother of Dhritarashtra and Pandu. Hastinapur is called as Delhi, and Gandhara is present called as Kanadahar. We saw in so many places Hastinapur, Indraprastha, Gandhara and all in this Mahabharatam. Thank you. Okay friends, hope you like this video. It's very important and precious and valuable epic. Everyone learn this epic. Okay, like, share, comment and subscribe the video. Okay friends, thank you. Bye.